Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to add the functionality of editing the profile and also show the the user information here and yeah, etc. Like all of the just we're just like finishing all of this with the profile. And yeah, pretty much. Let's just go ahead and let's go to our models. Um, here here. Okay, so we need to add like multiple things. For example, like the picture, of course, because here we are like uploading a picture or whatever, and also the yeah, more information. I don't know. Um, the first thing that we need to do, let's just modify our models to add the profile picture, right? And you just put it here after the user or at the end. I don't know. Let's just put, I don't know, just here, I guess. Picture, models, and we want an image field, right? Like we did in the past. Actually, we can just go here and copy. Here, what is it? Picture. Boop. You just copy this. I'm kind of lazy for this code. Let's just modify the folder. Let's just call it like profile pictures. Remember, like all this will be a folder here in media. It will name like that. Yes, 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 yes. Right. Let's just add like first name, right? Just copy this. Boom. Let's copy all of that. And first name, last name. Yeah, because we want like the user to have like multiple informations and stuff. Okay, now we need to create a function. This is interesting. Um, we need to create a function called um, create user profile, and we have a sender, the instance um, created, I guess, um, and multiple like arguments, covers. And as I said before, like don't pay too much attention at this. This is, and I will make a video to explain that, or you can just look it up on Google. Like, what does that mean? Like, what this means? Like, cat words with this. What actually means is there like this asterisks. This is you can just put whatever you want here. It doesn't matter. So if created, right? Because um, we need to this will happen when it's if created. Um, we need to remember this is from here. We need to profile dot objects dot create, and what we're creating the user, and then we just pass the instance to that user. Okay, now just create another function called save user profile, and the same thing, but in this case we don't need it created, right? Okay, now here instance dot profile dot save. Boom. This is our like functions, and now we need to import the signal for that to execute all of that. Let's just Django db signals plus signals here. This is very interesting, and And let's just import this one. Let's import here from signals import. Um, Let me explain you what it does. So basically, after we create an user, we want to create the profile. Remember when we try to like retrieve the user profile, they will throw it like it threw an error because hey, you don't have a user profile. What are you doing? Why are you trying to load this if you don't have it? So we want to make sure that every user that sign up to our like website has a profile already created, and we do that with this technique, and also with the model signals. And pre-save, which basically does it's just do whatever you want when before before it executes the save function when you save the model. And but actually we want to create the profile after we save, because first we need we need the user before creating a profile. That's why we do it like post save, right? And now we can just call this function and then save. This is the here, as you can see, post save. This is the method. Okay. Save, and then we pass this function with the sender will be user, this user. Okay. Boop, boop. And now you just copy this again for this function, remember? Then let's just copy this one, save, and the same thing. Yep. This is for creating and this is for saving. Here we go. We have the problem solved. Let's check. Model signals. Oh, it's connect. Sorry. Let's see. It's connect. Yes, connect. Yep. Connect. Let's see. Oops. We open now. Okay. No errors. Connect, create, like save, whatever. Let's close that. Okay. We have our. Actually, now we just need to like we modify our like models. We need to um make those migrate those changes. Just run like make Python manage make migrations. Okay, and now let's run migrate. Boom, here we go. Now let's run the server. Boom, beautiful. Okay, we have our models, and let's try to create a user so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's create a new user, a new account. Sign up. What was the URL? Sign up. Okay, username. Let's call it code at gmail.com. Password. Let's create a new password. Create account. Boom. Okay, now let's go to the admin. Oh, actually, we're here now. We need to log out. Okay, let's reload these. Let's check with the super user. Let's go to the profiles, and here we go. Here we have our profile for this user, as you can see. We have our like new fields and everything, so it's working perfectly, right? Um, yep. Oops. So now we need to create the forms to edit the profiles of the users. Um, let's go here. Let's go to the see here, forms, and here we're going to create our form. Um, First of all, let's import the models import profile. And now here, let's create our form class. I will name it edit profile form. Just copy this, paste it, um, and let's start creating the field. Start with a picture, right? Forms dot in oops, picture forms that image field, and require, of course, to just that. First name. Actually, let's just put false. What if a person don't want a picture, right? Fonts that are field. Let's just copy this. Sorry. Just copy this. Kind of boom. First name. La 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 la. Require false. This is the first name. 30 or 50. I don't know. This is last name. Last name. Blah la 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 la. Oops. And then location. Location. Let's open the models so we can see, yeah, the location. Yeah, just put, I don't think, yeah, 10 or 25. Okay, let's URL. Let's copy this one. And then it is like a URL field here. URL field. Let's put 60. We don't want like crazy long URLs here. Oh, this is URL. And now like the information. This is the, oh yeah, profile information. Let's just copy this. Yep. La 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 la, require false. Yep. Here let's put actually let's just don't put limit here. Or yes. Yes, what if a person like gets really creative? 260. Woo. Okay, yes, we have all image field. Then I just copy this. You probably think I'm too lazy. I copy everything. Yes, and that's how I get many errors. So this is not very recommended. Profile. Alright, why you're so lazy to even copy it? Yeah. Yes, I do. Last name, location, URL. Oops. You see? And profile information. Boom. Here we go. Yeah, I think we have everything. Picture, picture, first name, last name, location. Yeah, safe. Here we go. Now let's create, we have our form, let's create a template. Let's create a new file. Let's call it edit profile HTML. And here, let's copy the sign up. You know how I am, like copy, we copy everything. All the templates copy. Yep. Okay, here we have our profile. We just need to modify this. Like, first of all, let's change the title. Let's edit profile. And actually here we need to add it's like called like end type thing. This is because we need to add this one because we are sending like files and everything. So if you don't add this, it will throw you an error. Okay, I mean, like, it will not throw you an error, but it will not upload the picture basically. And then Nash, and then form, and then on data. Okay, or like that, yes. Okay, form data. Okay, first we need we want the picture first. Let's go to the forms just to see what they have here. See, file input. Yeah, let's copy this, all of that. Copy. We don't want the username, so from here to here, paste. Okay, let's just copy this one, and in the input, where is the input? Oh, this is the class, this is the button. Oh, here's the input. Here, file. Paste that and like put picture. Here we have the picture. Okay. Now let's put the first and last name. Let's go here. I want to put the first and last name like here. You know how it is? Yes. Let's do that. Let's copy this. Yeah. Copy. Okay, here in the row, starting from the row, because we copied the row to remember. Okay. Okay, input. Let's copy this and replace the input here. Boom, paste. First name. Okay. And then here, prefix, account circle here. And then last name. And then we copy the input, and then we paste it here. Last name. Okay, great. Let's just copy this. Okay, we have the first name, last name, and what else? First name, last name, location. For the location, we're just going to, oops, sorry, I got lost. Okay, here. And just change this. Location, location, location. Okay, location, then URL. Oops. URL. URL. Okay, let's copy that one once again. We have the location, URL, and then the information. Just put this in capitalize. Okay, this is the profile. Let me see. Yes, profile info. Okay. Bio or about, right? Just put update because we're like updating the the profile basically. Yeah, I think that we have everything for now. Okay, let's save. I hope this works. Let me see errors here. No. Now let's go to the views. Here URLs. The URLs, and then here profile. Then let's call this edit. We don't have the URL right now. It's just yeah. We don't need the URL now because we need to create the view. All right. Let's go to the views here and let's create a new one at the bottom. Let's call it I don't know, edit profile. Actually, we can just let me see. Let me go to the post. Oops. Views. No. Actually, in the views, we can just copy all of this. Haha. Copy that. Paste it here. And then we can just change the name. Let's call it edit profile. It will stay the same because you need to be like log in to edit the profile. Okay, they will take the user, and we need to get the ID, right? Because for the specific user. And then the profile. Let me see, we have the profile here. Yes. Okay. The profile equals to profile dot object and get what we need. We are passing the user ID that is here. Boom. We're basically getting the user with the we are getting the user with the user ID in the request. Okay. If request method passed, we need to import the form. This is the name. Go to the views. What is the forms? Form up here. Boom. Let's copy this form. Paste it here and here. Good. Okay. Request post, and we need to add another one. We need to add the request dot files because we're sending files, remember? And if form is valid, and we need to change. Let's just let's change this. Profile dot picture. Right. Gonna get picture. Copy this. We don't need this one. And this one will be safe, and we don't need this one too. Okay, let's copy this one. Haha. Picture. That's the first thing. First name. first name. Let's copy once again for the last name. This is a pain. Copying all of this. Location. Location. Now the URL. Let me see. Location, URL, and profile. Location, URL, and profile. Let me see. Yes. Boom. Good. Yeah. What we do after, we get all of that. We save it. Save, and then we redirect the user to, let's put the index for now. Boom, boom, and then, oh, we need to change this. We need to pass this template, right? Edit profile. Boom. And now this view we put in the URLs. Let's copy this one. Let's remove that. Here, name, edit URL, edit profile, and edit profile edit. Okay, now we need to move this URL with to the here to our main URLs file. Remember that, as I said before, we want here in the URLs, we don't want the account / profile, whatever. We want the just profile user. And also, if you don't have it this way, it will throw you like error here when you are like editing your profile. So let's move this from here. Make sure that you move this the profile, okay? Let's put it here. Yes. Boom. Now let's import the view from import user profile. Okay, save. And let's save that. And let's go to account, profile. Oops. Profile, edit. Here we go. Let's download a picture. Portrait photo. I don't know which one. This Chinese. Asian, sorry. Okay, let's choose the file. This one. And then first name. Lara, code, location, earth, whatever, here. .github. And here, and then let's press update. Boom. Oh, enter apply URL. Okay. 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 Let's see. I think it worked. Let's go to the admin. Oops. Nope. Account, edit. Let's choose that one again. Yes. That's a valid URL. Seriously? Oh, I think yes. I think we have an error here. Let's check the forms. Um, let's see forms. Yes, you see, haha. That's why it's not working. I'm like, what? What the crap? Oh, let's just save that. Sorry, but errors are beautiful. Okay, let's try again. Here we go. Here we go. I'm like, this is a valid. This is a valid URL. What you're saying? Okay, update. Boom. Here we go. Update. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the admin and my user, and we have the picture, and we have like all the new information. So it's working perfectly. Our form is working, and the picture is like loading, and the data it's yeah. Now what we need to do, we need to modify our templates profile here. Okay, um, because we want to load all the new information, and yep, let's do that. Okay, the first thing that we need to do, we need to check that the let's oops that the user has a picture. I mean a name. If profile, let's see views. Let's see the views in the profile here. User. Oh, exactly. We need to pass the profile here. Let's pass that profile. Oops. Profile. Yes, I'm like, I'm. Did I put the profile? Okay, so when you remember, pass the profile to the view, or it won't work. Okay, if profile that first name, if the profile has a first name, let's just put the first name here. Profile that first name, space, and then we copy this, and when we put the last name, first name, last name. Yep, good. We need to end if. We need to end the if. Okay. Good. And yep. Good. Good. We have the. This is for the profile. Okay. Now, now we need to add a button that will just like redirect the user to the edit profile. So let's just put that button. Just go to materialize, components, buttons. Let's just copy one of these. Yeah, let's just copy this one. After the picture, right? We want it here. No, or like here. Yeah, here. Haha. And then edit profile. We don't need that. I don't need an icon. Good. Actually, we just need a URL, right? because we're just going to update profile or edit profile. Okay, and then now we just basically like let's just copy all of these because we want to make sure that the user like has all of these. Let's copy this one and here, and this is the location. Okay, location, and if boom, the and if here, we erase this one. The and if should be here after the span. Here, let's add some space so we don't we don't get like confused. Okay, now we copy this one. Oh, this is not first name, it's location. Okay, location, let's just copy this one. This is for the URL. If profile URL, and if we're here, we're just like validating the data. And then if user profile info, and if, just copy this. Ooh, that's a big test. And profile info. Good. Okay. Yeah, we have the the picture. Okay. Just copy this one. If this is the here, if file picture, let's go to the past views. So we to the templates index, so we can just copy this. Okay, haha. We just copy this and just paste it here. If profile picture, okay, profile yep else if the picture doesn't exist, we don't want that, we want that picture. And if here, boom, oops, actually we need to put remember this ID, we need to pass the ID to the picture too, because remember the CSS, it won't work. Okay, picture profile edit. Okay, let's see if this is working. Now we just hit profile. Remember, because we changed the URL, we don't need account, we just need a profile, and then we pass the user. Boom. And here we go. The picture and all of the bio. We need to change this. So we want to show this button just only when the user it's like login. Because if not, like we don't want someone to change your profile information, right? Let's see here in the button, and then here with like we add a conditional. Let's copy this. If user it's authenticated and user equals profile user. oops, because we want to show the button if the user authenticated and the user profile matches with the profile, right? That's why we use this. Okay, if this is true, then it will show the button for the edit profile. And let's try that. Let's save. Okay, let's log in. Okay, we have an error here. Oh, this is because we need to change the. Let's go to the project settings. Let's change the URL. So it's like it's sending us to the profile, but remember that we're passing the username to the profile too. So let's just change that to index. Okay. Now let's see. Let's go back. Let's okay. Um, Profile. Okay. Boom. Here we go. It's working. Let's try with another user. Let's try with this user. Okay. And let's go to this user profile just to see. And as you can see, it's not showing here. But if we go to our profile, boom, it's showing here. See? Okay, we actually need to change this button so we can go to the edit profile, right? Let's go to the here, and what's the URL? Um, let's see the URL. Profile edit. Let's copy that. Oops. Edit profile. Boop. Let's copy that. Paste it here. And then let's copy. Let's go to base. Copy one of these URL. Let's copy this one. Let's paste it here. Let's cut and paste. Boom. Save. Let's try. This one. Let's try. Boom. Here we go. It's working. Okay. We have the edit profile working. Actually, here I want drop down. Let's go here to drop down because we want to like put the logout and then like all like some other buttons here. Let's try. Actually, I think it's in nap in the nav bar. Oops, components, nav bar, drop down. Yes. Let's go to base because we need to change this one. It is the user. Okay. This is all the user stuff. Boom. Let's copy this. How many drop downs you can have? I don't know. Let's see. Let's copy this one. Oops. Let's copy this one. And let's paste it here, I guess. Now let's drop down for user. Drop down 2. Let's name it drop down 2. Okay, and then if users authenticated, Okay, if let me see. And if users authenticate, it will show the user. Okay. And then we want here we want the uh mm, I'm a little confused. We want the logout. We want it right here. Boom. Okay, let's leave the divider here, and then here let's put profile, right? Let's create a link. Mhm. Profile, and then like here. Actually, let's see if the drop down is working, right? Just copy this one, data target, and paste it here. Supposed to go. Drop down to class. Drop down trigger. If users authenticated, if users authenticated, yeah, just leave it like that. I don't know. If not, their target. Let's see. Oh, oh yeah. Here we need to pass the what is it? Oh, profile. Here we need to pass the user dot username. Okay, it's working. Okay, the logout's working. It's kind of it looks kind of funky. That's fine. Here let's put profile, and here let's put change like security. That's for the password and stuff. Let's copy the URL for the password. And is this one change password? Let's put it here. In the meantime, let's copy this, paste it, and change password here, and you are gone. Boom. Logout, divided, security, profile. Okay, let's see. Let's remove the button here for the logout because it's not looking right. Let's see. Logout. The button is this one. Boom. Let's reload. Okay, here you go. We should put the profile first, right? Let's move it. Let's put this here. And refresh. Okay, profile, boom. Security, change password, and logout, boom. Oh, Um, this is for the, let's see, 25. Mm. Oh, this is if the user is not authenticated. Oh, we need to put that. Um, is because we want to use if users authenticated, it will show that. Okay, let's see now. And now, yes, here we go. Please log in. Oh, but it's not working. Why is it not taking me today? Let's um if users authenticated, let's put what is the old, oh yeah, let's put this. Oops, let's copy this, put it here. Okay, let's see now. Please log in. Why is it not taking me there? I think it's problem with the, we need to modify this so it doesn't show. Hmm. We just need to copy this, all of this. It is kind of long, right? Else, else nothing. Okay, basically here we are like, if the user is authenticated, then we are loading the drop down. If not, empty. Because let's see now. Yes, now it's working. Because the data target, it was like messing with the link. So we have the login. Let's log in. Boom. Yep, we have the profile. We can edit the profile. We have the security. We can just change the password and everything, and we can just log out. Yep, we have everything. It's working. Um, if you have any question, just let me know in the comments. If something is not working properly, just let me know in the comment. I will just upload all of this code to my GitHub. You can just copy and see what's wrong with your code. And yep, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.